Welcome back to another advanced level of SolidWorks exercise 133. So here we will start with front plane. You will see this is front view. So we are going to start with front view. You will see this dotted line means it is from back side, and this top face actually it is bottom view. I just drag from bottom to here. So let's try to start with front. Okay. Now there is circle 65, 51 inner and outer diameter. Okay. The distance between these two center 270. That's it. Now here if we comes on the top, there is one more circle. We will keep this circle as a center of point. Why? Because it's easy for us to mirror. The diameter of this circle 40. This line tangent to this circle, and there is an arc 180. This is tangent to both the circle, 180 radius, and this distance 18 millimeter from center point, you will see, and the corner fillet R5. But there is three body, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to extrude, the first one you will see depth 23, the center body. This circle one you will see here 2 millimeter extra both side. So it is 23 plus 2 is 27. But there is a trick for this one, this circle. You will see this is 2 millimeter offset from this side. This is back side, and the upper one is top side. So 2 millimeter from back side. So overall 30. You will see the depth. So if you subtract 20, okay, let's do it on calculation. 23 divided by 2 plus 2. It's 13.5 from one side minus 30. It's 16.5 in another side, this side, and this side is the front side. So here we have to choose front plane, sketch. Now I'll draw, activate circle, and I'll choose this one as a origin 40. Okay. Now let me, even though if I am going to draw vertical line, I'll choose dynamic mirror, select the line. Now its dynamic mirror feature activated. I'll choose here line. This one 65, enter. See, you will automatically going to draw one more line, one more circle, 51. Now activate line tool, and I'll put somewhere here, not I'll put something like here. See, the line is created. I'll choose these 2 points tangent. That's it. Now deactivate dynamic mirror, 3-point arc. Start from here to here. Now I'll choose this radius 180 millimeter. Okay. Now I'll choose both the line and circle and arc tangent relation. The similar relation we have to create with this. Line, circle, hold shift key and select here tangent relation. Now let's define some more dimensions. 70 millimeter. Now this distance from here to here is 18 millimeter. Look. And this center to center distance 270 millimeter. Now see, our drawing is fully defined. Look. Okay. Go to feature and choose extruded boss base feature, and I'll choose first these two bodies. Keep end condition mid plane because this is our center body. So we will move in both sides, and the length 23 millimeter. See here. Okay. Now again drop down, click sketch or choose sketch, extruded boss base, activate. Now this time move your circle cursor here and select the circle. This one 23 plus 2 plus 2, it's 27, but end condition mid plane because 2 millimeter extra in both sides. Okay. Now again I'll choose the same sketch, extruded boss base. Now I'll choose this time 1, 2, but there is a catch. Front side is 16.5 and back side is 13.5. We already calculated. So keep direction 1, 16.5 end condition. Now here select direction 2. Now look, it's moving back side also. See, and this is 13.5 because it's only 2 millimeter away from here. Okay, that's it. Now if I am going to click this point or line, you will see two options: mirror, fillet and sketch. I'll choose fillet, not chamfer. Constant size and dimension, radius 5 millimeter. Let me choose this also. That's it. Now here comes some more thing. Now if you are going to see here, there is a hole, 8 millimeter you will see this diameter, but there is one more hole, 32 millimeter. If you check very closely this drawing, this 32 millimeter up to here, so depth is 23 plus 2 is 25, then 8 millimeter only this face. So only back side is 8 millimeter and here is 25. So this is a kind of counter bore hole. Now one more thing we need to cover this. Now you will see there is a blade like this. See, 70 millimeter distance, 18 millimeter is the width, but there is a catch. The bottom diameter 10 and upper one is 6 millimeter. So we will use lufted boss base tool to create this. First we will choose hole, wizard, legacy hole. I'll choose counter bore hole. Now here I am going to change the inside diameter 8 millimeter. The length is not going to change because it's up to next we selected. So I'll keep blind and I'll put here something like 30. So it should be more than this. And this is the counter bore hole. This is 23 diameter and the length of counter bore diameter is 23 plus 2. It's 25. Okay, I'll choose position. I'll select this face and just put here. Okay, now you will see the preview how it's coming little out. Say okay. Look, now I'll select this face, sketch. Now I am going to create here. Now here I am going to activate 3-point corner rectangle because I am going to create a rectangle like this. Okay. Now I'll choose these two edges equal. Now I'll draw one center line. Make sure this point up so it's easy for us to. Now this diameter angle 40, 10. Now I'll choose this center point and this one. If I move here, see, get diameter 70 millimeter. And one more important relation, select this point and this point. This vertical length is 15 millimeter. This is important. Okay. Now exit and create a plane. I'll choose this plane, activate. First reference plane, this one, the distance 18 millimeter. See, just check, see 18 millimeter away from here. Okay. Now choose the plane, sketch. Now I'll choose offset because we want to make a rectangle with 6 millimeter. So if I am going to choose offset, select chain, and I'll choose this one. Here put 2 millimeter reverse. Say OK. If I am going to check the diameter dimension, 6 millimeter. Okay. Now finish. Exit and go to feature and activate lofted boss base. This is important feature. Now here see this point is selected here. So I am also going to choose this point. But this point is not going to move. Look. We just move, click and it's moved. And see both in one line selected, and this is the shape of our extruded body. Say OK. Look. Now I have deactivated real view. Now hide the plane. Look. Now you can mirror this one. Click mirror. Which plane is suitable for this? Right plane. Feature to mirror, I'll directly choose this one, or even though you can choose from here also, this menu. Say yes. Look, it's mirror. Now you will see there is a flange. R18. Center distance to this circle 19. R8. And there is a tapped hole M5 in both sides. Center distance 93 millimeter, and you will see in this preview this is apply from back plane and it is moved towards forward plane, and 12 millimeter is the thickness. So I'll choose back surface sketch. Makes activate line and makes. Now I'll choose this line, convert entity, activate line tool and start to draw. Go back to the point and see it's automatically converted into a arc. Finish. Mirror entities, I'll select these 3 lines, mirror about this line. That's it. Dimension. Now this center line 93 millimeter. R8 and the center distance 19 millimeter. Now activate trim entities. Power trim, just move your left mouse, drag your left mouse actually, and you will delete all unnecessary line. Okay. See, this is from back side. Activate extruded boss base feature. It is moving wrong direction, so you can simply reverse direction. Length 12 millimeter. See, look, hole wizard. Now I'll choose here legacy hole. DIN standard we will choose. Tapped bottoming hole. In tapped bottoming hole you can tap in a straight way, not tapered way. M5. End condition I'll keep to next. We don't need any countersink at the corner. This one activate cosmetic thread. Position, select this one. Just place your cursor and you will get center point. Say OK. Now you can't, it's not visible cosmetic thread, so option documents property detailing. Check shaded cosmetic thread box and you will preview or see the cosmetic thread. You will see the back side, this back line. If you see back view, we need to cut this. Depth here 12 millimeter. So just check the gap 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter, and from this outer arc 10 millimeter. Even though center distance also 10 millimeter, and there is a radius 7 millimeter gap. If you make radius 27, and the corner fillet, we already mentioned here all fillets 3 mm. All unidentified fillets are 3 mm. So this 36, it is the distance after fillet. So we will apply fillet, then we will measure it. We will then mirror and we will cut depth 14 millimeter. Then later we will make this one 23 millimeter, and this height 45.5 millimeter. See, and this center distance you will check 191 millimeter, and this is 13 millimeter away from bottom face. This is bottom face. Then if you saw, there is one more extrusion 13 diameter, and this length you will find here 9 millimeter, but this is after the cutout of this. And the back side also there is a hole, machine tap M10, 45 millimeter long, or depth is 45 millimeter. Let's do this. So I'll go to back surface, sketch, okay. Now I'll choose this one, convert entities. Whatever we need, we will use it. Okay, I'll choose trim entity, power trim, and I'll trim all the lines because I don't need this all lines. Okay, now click here, offset 10 millimeter. I'll choose this line. Okay, again choose offset 7 millimeter. I'll choose this line, reverse, uncheck. Okay, then again offset 7 millimeter. I'll choose this circle, it's moving outside. Okay, now here we need to create a line, so I am going to create a line, vertical line, and this distance 7 millimeter from outer side. Okay, even though I am going to create some more lines. Okay, again activate line, make sure the line perpendicular to this line, escape key to out. Again I'll choose a line perpendicular to this, tangent to this, tangent to this. Now let's try trim entities. So I'll trim this one. We don't need this one, so it's okay. Even trim this line, trim this one and this line, because we get this shape. Activate again line, and don't connect it directly, focus from here to here. Now select these two lines parallel. This is important relation. One more line, select these two lines parallel. Trim entities, I'm going to trim this. And trim this. And don't trim this one because it creates more problem. So we have some more solution for this. Take little inside. Now select all geometry. select for construction. Okay. Three-point arc, whatever need I'll connect it. Just move here, that's it. Now from this point to this point, okay, this point to this point, once you move your cursor, you will get orange line. Click, activate line. Now connect all the lines. That's it. Now let's define some more distance. 7 millimeter. 7 millimeter. Fillet, it's 3 millimeter. So I'm going to apply all the edges. Now see, we selected construction line, that's why it's easy to apply fillet. Otherwise, it's quite difficult to apply fillet. Now see, it's difficult to apply fillet here. Okay, activate line tool and connect line, escape key, sketch fillet, 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Smart dimension. Now these dimensions are important. 36 millimeter this distance. And this distance 12 millimeter. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Look. Now just delete what you don't need. Mirror entities. Now I'll select all the lines up to here. Mirror line, I'll choose this one. You will see the preview. Okay. Now this is fully defined sketch. If you find something, okay, corner radius 3 millimeter. Let's choose this one here. Say okay. Now activate extruded cut tool. You will see it's automatically selected. Keep end condition 12 blind. Say yes. Look how we created backside. Top plane, plane. Now here 31 plus 70, 101 millimeter reverse. Okay. Sketch. Take another. So any one side we can create. So we will try this side. Don't create any relation. 23 millimeter. Okay. Now let's assign a smart dimension from back side. So this is the back plane. 13 millimeter. Okay. If we are going to draw center line, smart dimension. Now distance, move outside, and this is 191 millimeter. Now extrude, length 45.5 millimeter, you will see back side. Okay, again I'll choose this face, sketch, circle, you will find center point, click, 13, extrude feature and extrude 9 millimeter. See, let me hide the plane. Now again I am going to apply, or we same plane, use same plane, sketch, that's it. Now line, connect with this. Now select this circle, convert entity, we need this. Now connect this one from here to the line. Make sure it is vertical, make sure this is horizontal, this is also horizontal. Now according to drawing, this distance from front is 5, 19, and this distance from this center 24. Look, trim entity, I'll trim this one and we will get this shape. Okay, extrude. Now here end condition we will choose up to next. See, it's going to connect properly, but there is a 2 millimeter gap between this, so we will use offset 2 millimeter. See, okay. Hole wizard, straight tap, bottoming tapped hole, and this time it's going to be make M10. Now length is defined 45 and depth up to shoulder, and thread also we will define full 45. We don't need any countersink. Position, I'll choose this one, just place somewhere at center. Escape key to out, just check preview. Look, that's perfect. Now in this drawing you will see 2 millimeter offset. What we did, this is 2 millimeter offset, this. Now here one cutout, you will see 25 millimeter, this cutout, 3 millimeter, 25 degree, 3 millimeter cutout. So we need to make this cutout, and okay, we forget to make this one also. Now we need to create one more plane. Now here the length is 346 divided by 2. That's it. Sketch. Okay, sketch circle. Now the circle diameter 14. Okay, and the distance center of this body, so 15, and okay, now mid of this, so you have to find out very midpoint of this. So let me choose center line. Okay, see, this is the midpoint, connect with, click line horizontal. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Extrude, select here reverse and up to next, so it moves up to the body. Look, let me hide hole wizard, and here also M5 tab, DIN bottoming, M5 only. DIN standard bottoming tapped hole, and length up to next according to drawing. Position, I'll choose this face and keep cursor near edge and you will find center point. Escape key to out and just check the preview. Look, the hole is created. I'll choose this face sketch. Now we want to make one cutout. So center line, don't make any. Okay, we need one more line actually. Now this one we need center line, and this is our real line. Okay, angle 25 degree. Now this one keep little outer of the body so that it's easy for us to cut. For fully defined sketch, give any length, should be any length, okay, 55, bigger than this one. Extruded cut, keep end condition through all both. Look, but this is only line, so you have to choose here thin feature. Thickness in thin feature, choose 3 millimeter. Now I am going to show you. Now look, this is moving in one direction. So drop down the menu, keep mid plane, say yes. Look, it is cut. Now what the features are there? This one, hold control key, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last all features we want to mirror. So select all, mirror, see, drop down the menu, and here you will find right plane. You will see the preview. Okay, look, it is mirror with thread. Now here we forget one more thing. At the top there is a R5, R15 radius. So there is a body which is attached with this. So go to first body, edit feature. Now here we forget to select this one. So in selected contour, choose this option also. Okay. Now we have a cap at the top. So click edge, fillet, and this is 15 millimeter. Keep constant size R15. Say yes. Now look. Now this is perfectly defined. Now I am going to apply solid color to it. Okay. So this is a good example for the advanced level. I hope you learn many features. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.